KBER 101. Bob, what's your question for Tyler Ayres?
Say I'm 18 years old, and I get a ticket for minor consuming alcohol. I call for all 14 days, it says on the bottom of the ticket, and they still have not posted it with the court. What is their time period? Do they have to file that?
They need to have that filed within 24 months.
Okay, so in that 24 months, if I just blow it off, then what can happen?
They'll issue a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear.
Okay.
And then at that point, that's going to toll their time frame, and then they're going to be able to, as long as they've got that warrant out for your arrest, it can go ad infinitum. That's Latin.
Ooh, what? Ad infinitum.
I had that once. Penicillin cleared it up.
Yeah. So he does what he's supposed to do. He calls within the 14 days, and it's not up.
Yeah,
so,
they just don't do it.
So then he's just got to keep calling and calling just to see when and if they ever put this thing up.
Precisely.
Ad infinitum.
Ad infinitum.
And you do not wait for them to contact you.
Yeah, the way they will contact you is with handcuffs.
Yeah.
So they've got no what do you call it? Responsibility to do this in a timely fashion.
Well, they have a motivation to do it in a timely fashion, and it's called money. So the likelihood of this happening on a regular basis is not great.
Okay.
But things slip through the cracks. That's all there is to it. You keep notifying them, and they figure it out that, hey, in fact, there is a few bucks out there for us. And, yeah, they'll come find you. They'll come get you. But the bigger risk is doing nothing. If you do nothing, I had a client come in today to my office, and this poor girl got just 3 little citations 4 years ago. We're talking not big citations. Because she didn't do anything about him, it wound up in a $20,000 bail situation.
Jeez.
She got to spend 2 days in the county jail waiting for her family to come up with if she'd have taken care of these things off the bat, it would have cost less than $500. But once you get into these failure to appear situations, and this is that type of situation, don't rely on the government to be smarter than you. Be smarter than it.
Yeah.
So I know it's a pain in the butt, but keep calling.
Okay, what is normally a fine for first-time offense on something like that?
$150.
And what?
That's it.
And that's it, yeah.
They may throw like a 2-day jail term at you. Suspended upon payment.
And depending on...
does the guy go in and say, hey, I'll pay the fine and ask for plea in advance, or how's that work?
That is absolutely what I'd recommend you do. Go ahead and plead not guilty initially, have a pretrial conference with the prosecuting attorney, explain that you've got a clean record, that you're trying to keep it that way, and ask for a plea in advance, and generally speaking, you're going to get it.
Okay.
Go in there and show some of the weaknesses of the case. Show them that there is a case. Ask for the plea in advance. If you don't ask, you'll never get it.
Okay.
Okay, bro?
All right, thanks.
And if you need anything else, Bob, call Tyler's office, 255-5555.
Cool.
Thanks, Bob.
All right.